If your ductless mini-split blower motor is not working, it can be a frustrating and uncomfortable experience. However, before calling an HVAC technician, there are some safe checks you can perform. First, ensure the unit is properly plugged in and the circuit breaker hasn't tripped. Next, verify the thermostat settings to ensure it's set to the correct mode and temperature. If the issue persists, it's likely a faulty blower motor, capacitor, or thermostat. An HVAC technician will typically test the blower motor, check the capacitor, and inspect the thermostat to diagnose the issue. The repair process typically involves replacing the faulty component and may also include cleaning and adjusting the system. To prevent future issues, it's essential to regularly clean and inspect your ductless mini-split system, check the thermostat settings, and ensure proper airflow. If you notice any urgency or emergency warning signs, such as a gas smell, smoke, or carbon monoxide alarm, stop the system immediately and contact emergency services or a qualified technician.